Welcome to Benshine Bags, your trusted OEM bag production facility in Xiamen, China, with our strategic location. We're just 40 minutes from Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport and 30 minutes from the high-speed railway station, providing easy access for efficient logistics. Covering over 3,000 square meters and staffed by more than 50 skilled employees. Our factory has a production capacity of 50,000 bags per month. We utilize 30 single-needle sewing machines, 8 double-needle machines, and 2 computerized sewing machines, allowing us to handle a wide range of custom bag orders with precision and efficiency. With years of expertise in custom bag manufacturing, we are proud to be trusted by leading brands, including Bosch, FedEx, Hyundai, Skechers, and more. Our experience in OEM production ensures we bring customers unique designs to life while maintaining the highest quality standards. Our thermal bag collection includes various models to suit different needs. From compact lunch bags for daily use to larger cooler bags ideal for outdoor adventures. Each model is available in a range of colors to match your style and brand requirements. Our bags are crafted from premium, food-safe materials, providing excellent insulation that keeps contents hot or cold for up to 8 hours. The insulation layer is thick yet lightweight, making it easy to carry while ensuring optimal temperature retention. Each design is carefully crafted for durability, with reinforced handles, sturdy zippers, and spell-resistant interiors for hassle-free cleaning. Some models even come with additional compartments to keep food items or drinks organized and secure. Our thermal bags are versatile and ideal for various uses. The compact models are perfect for office lunches, picnics, and kids' school meals, keeping food fresh and at the perfect temperature until you're ready to eat. For longer journeys or outdoor activities, our larger cooler bags offer ample space and durability to keep food and beverages at the ideal temperature for hours. Our production process begins with carefully selecting top-quality, food-safe materials. We choose high-density insulation layers and durable, waterproof exteriors to ensure excellent temperature retention and longevity. Each component is sourced to meet our high standards for safety and performance. Once materials are ready, our skilled workers take charge of the production line using advanced sewing and sealing techniques. We create thermal bags that are not only functional, but also built to last. From precision stitching to heat sealing, every technique is optimized to enhance insulation and structural integrity. Quality is at the core of what we do. Our dedicated quality control team inspects each thermal bag at multiple stages of production. They check everything from the stitching and zippers to the insulation and finishing touches, ensuring each bag meets our rigorous quality standards. As you can see, our skilled team works with attention to detail, ensuring every bag meets our high standards before it reaches our customers. We believe that the hands-on expertise of our workers is key to delivering reliable, high-quality products you can trust. We have received fantastic feedback from clients in various industries, including retail, healthcare, and outdoor gear. They consistently praise our bags for their durability, excellent insulation, and stylish designs. Here's what a few of them had to say. Benshine Bags has been our go-to supplier for thermal bags, and they've never let us down. Our customers love the product quality, and we appreciate the professional service we receive every time. We've ordered customized bags from Benshine Bags multiple times, and the quality always exceeds our expectations. The bags are not only durable, but also match our brand perfectly. As you can see in these clips and photos, our customers are using Benshine thermal bags across many applications, whether keeping lunches fresh for office workers, storing temperature-sensitive healthcare supplies, or as part of branded corporate giveaways. Each positive review we receive is a testament to our dedication to service, precision, and quality. Our team is always ready to assist with custom designs, meet unique requirements, and deliver bags that enhance our clients' brand experiences. Our custom service begins with the design process. Whether you have a specific concept or need guidance, our experienced team is ready to collaborate ensuring every detail reflects your brand. We offer a wide range of materials, from durable and eco-friendly fabrics to premium insulation for thermal bags, so you can choose the perfect options to fit your purpose and budget. One of our key strengths is flexibility. We understand that different businesses have different needs, so we offer adaptable minimum order quantities for custom designs. Our mock starts at just 300 pieces, allowing businesses of all sizes to access high-quality custom bags without large inventory commitments. At Benshine Bags, our goal is to make the custom process smooth and tailored to your needs. With our dedication to high quality, precision, and customer satisfaction, we're confident we can deliver bags that will exceed your expectations. If you're looking for a reliable partner for custom bag manufacturing, reach out to us at Benshine Bags. Our flexible custom services are designed to support your brand's vision and deliver products that truly stand out. Contact us today to get started.